Hey you guys, and what is up, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Anabel, the Curvy Planner on Instagram, YouTube, and all the social media. And today we are going to be decorating my Hobonichi cousin, and I am very, very happy to report that, and I've been sharing every single week since I haven't been consistent, that I've been off of my planner game, as you can see here. And this week, except for last week, this week we are finally a little bit more on top of it. I was able to keep up with it every single day. And the trick, you guys, what I ended up doing was actually putting my planner on my desk just open all the time. And because of that, I was able to remember, hey, you got to write in your planner. You got to do it. It's part of it. Let's go make sure that we're updating every single day. And I definitely did. So I'm very happy and very proud of myself. But today's video is going to be on this week for June the 23rd through the 29th. It is crazy that we are just a week away from July. That is so wild. But nonetheless, I'm excited to get this week started, to decorate it, to make it pretty and fun for ourselves. And yeah, let's go ahead and get to it. Let me reposition the camera because I feel like it's a little off-centered, so let me fix it. Okay, so I did go ahead and change the camera, so if you notice a little bit of a change on the angle, it's because I adjusted it. But today I'm pretty excited because we have a few options as far as stickers go. So I have these right here that are like Bucky's, and they're pretty cute, pretty fun. And then I also have these that my sister-in-law got for me in New York. So that is pretty fun. I can definitely use these. I think this would be pretty fun. I'm definitely going to keep this junk journal with it because I can use this top section for that. Oh, and it's so cool. It actually like opens up for you to be able to just remove this. Awesome. That works out. And I'll keep this for my junk journal. So either this or the Bucky's or the Monchichis. I kind of wish like y'all were here like in real time to tell me what to use. Maybe what we can do is look at these stickers and decide based on that. Maybe I feel like the Monchichi I can wait. Now this, they just came back from New York like, what was it, maybe like a week ago? They came back last week. So this is pretty fresh still. Or I could use the Bucky's one. So let me look actually through my washi and figure out if there's anything that would go with either one of these, and then we can go like build our spread based off of that. So let me check my washi. I'll be right back. All right, you guys. So I am obviously conflicted because I'm not really sure what to pick, but I do have these that I think will look really cool with these little t-shirts. Like maybe like these two will look kind of nice, like overlapped, or even just this one. I'm not sure, but I think that will look really cute. And then with this, I either have this with this or this with this. Oh my gosh, I am really like, I feel like it will look better with this blue one because it'll help pop this out. Oh no. We are going to Austin on Friday, but it's not really that vibe. I think I'm going to go with the Jellycat one because we do go to Houston quite often, so I could use these for like a Houston week. So let's go with that. I think that's going to be the decision factor, what's going to make me want to use these. Now, I'm debating, should I use this blue or this red? I kind of feel like this blue helps pop this out, even though it's not like the same blue, it's still kind of similar. But then I also kind of really like the way every single one of these images has a red. So I don't know. How about let's put down this washi and then we'll go from there. I feel like that'll be the best way to go about this. Now let me add my dinner, lunch, and breakfast on each side to make sure that I put the washi on the right place. Okay, let's go ahead and do this. I don't really have a specific reason as to why I picked this one out. It just kind of seemed like the black made sense with this spread, and I think it'll look really nice. So I do need to tear some of this off because it was tearing a little bit. Okay. So like right there. Should we make it look nice? I feel like maybe we should. Let me grab one of these. Okay. And then this one over here. Yeah, that looks good. That looks pretty good already. Okay, now the only debate is, do we use this washi that says ready for anything, or do we use this washi that just has like little flowers over and over again? I don't know. I don't know, you guys. I kind of feel like the red just pops so well with all of these little images, but then the blue is just so good with it. I think I'm gonna go with the red. I just hope it doesn't look like too red, white, and blue, you know? But I think what I am gonna do is make sure that it has the writing, like the full, like ready for everything. Maybe I can make it just go on here twice. So I think that'll be the move. So like right there. And then the other one right down here. I think it's okay if it covers up a little bit of the weekend breakfast, lunch, and dinner, because we usually just kind of wing it on the weekend. So I feel like that's perfectly fine. That works out. Okay, let's go ahead and I'm actually really quick gonna write down breakfast, lunch, and dinner on all of these, and I'll be right back. Okay, that's good. So let me go ahead and just add some of these stickers on like random little spots. I think I'm just gonna go up and down, like really that's just gonna have to be the move. Maybe we do the little cat one right there, and then a sandwich, a little Sammy, and I think we need a smaller one, so maybe the donut would be cute, like right there. Okay. And then let's put some on this side. So, oh, what if we use this big one? Maybe, oh, I don't know. Should we end up switching this out? I'm not really sure. I think this looks good right here. Even if it comes off the page a little bit, I'm gonna just cut some of that off. Okay, like that. And then the little, like that, maybe. I think maybe that one over here should be like a smaller one. Maybe the pizza. Like that. And like that. Let me use the croissant. Am I really gonna cover up the start of my week a little bit? I think I am. It's fine. If we do that, it's perfectly fine. Like that. And I kind of don't like the way it's just like a straight line. So I'm gonna move it a little bit like this way. And then we have this right here. I think that's cute. I don't think I'm gonna use these two. Just, I don't know, maybe I should. What do you think? Maybe I should put this one right here. But this other one, I'm for sure not going to use. I just don't think that makes any sense. Now, I'm thinking about removing this. Just like, I feel like now that I laid the washi down, it just kind of makes no sense. So, not the washi. Now that I laid the stickers down, it just, I don't know, it doesn't look right. But what I am thinking about doing is cutting this. It is sticker, so I'm like, it'll look fine. So I'm just gonna cut some of this. Oh, there's sticker right here. And it'll be perfect because it's the exact same color. Oh, I went flying. Okay, yeah. I think that'll look pretty cool, so. But let me just cut some of this off because I didn't cut it right. Okay, I think that's good. Right? Oh, maybe on this side right here. Like that. Okay, but I think that looks pretty cool. Yeah, I think I like it. Now, I'm thinking I should put the other blue on this top. So I'm gonna use this one, although it's a little bit damaged. So it's perfectly fine. It's no big deal. I'm just trying to get rid of the sticky stickers from my fingers and my scissors. Okay. Okay, so this one we'll put over here, and I think that'll look pretty cool. Let me start on this side. Yay, I think that looks pretty awesome. Beautiful. It is a little like ugly right here, but it's okay. It's no big deal. I think that looks really cute. Let me grab a highlighter that I think will go pretty good with this. I am thinking, I think I used a blue back here somewhere. Like a blue like this, maybe? What are we thinking? Have I not used a blue? I thought I have. Like this one? No, it's too dark. It needs to be brighter. Let me grab my highlighters. Okay, so we have these. I feel like it's gonna have to be this one. Oh yeah, that matches like perfect. I don't even think we have to swatch these. It has to be that one. Okay, so one thing I like doing is I like highlighting my work time. So let's go ahead and do that really quick. Now obviously I told y'all I went over my Monday time with the sticker, but I think it looks so cute. I couldn't like not do it. Maybe I'll just go over it like that. And till 17.5 is when I get off. Okay, that looks okay. It's fine. We saved it. Okay, so then on Tuesday, I also work from 9 to 17.5, which is 5:30. Then let's do that also on each of the days of the week. Okay, cute. Now I didn't do it on Friday because I actually don't have work. So I can put up here, maybe I can just write, oh my gosh, I actually made a mistake. Why did I think this was Friday? You know what I can do? I can write it right here. I can put no work like that. I think that looks cute. Okay, and then the other thing I like doing is putting my lunchtime. So my lunch is from 1 to 2. So I can put that here. Cute. And then I think I am going to highlight it. Not highlight it, go around it. Yeah, I think I am. Okay, cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and also write down my work schedule. So on here, I'm just gonna go around it. So I'm gonna put work 9 to 5:30. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on each of the days. Okay, so that looks good. Now, the other thing I like doing is just looking through my stickers, seeing if there's anything I like. Actually, before that, I'm going to write down my YouTube schedule. Let me see if I have any boxes that kind of match this. I am running pretty low on boxes, so that is definitely something that I probably need to replenish on. But it is kind of hard finding, like, boxes that I like. Oh, what about these? I think that one looks pretty good, but I don't know about the other one. Well, let's keep flipping, see what else we can find. Oh, what about these? I think these will look good. Okay, let me grab these two. Actually, I may use these. Okay, let me put these back. I'm just gonna put them here. Okay, that's that one. And I think I'm gonna grab just 3 of these for sure. 2 and then 3. Okay, perfect. So I'm gonna put it down here. I think that's good right there. And then on Thursday, like right there, and then on Sunday. But Sunday, I'm just gonna put it right here. Wait, is that crooked? I think it's a little crooked. That's good. Okay, so let me write down YouTube. This one is crooked though. I can see it. Hopefully it doesn't tear the page. Nope, perfect. Okay, let's write down YouTube. Okay, and then the day before, I'm gonna put my little tasks that I like putting. So it's record, edit, upload, thumbnail, and post. And then I can put like a little arrow over here type of thing. And I can do the little boxes that I like adding where we can check it off like that. And I'm gonna do the same thing for Thursday, and also the day before is where I'm gonna write it. So I'm gonna put the same exact things. And then for Sunday. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and also highlight these down here just because I feel like it adds a little pop of color. I kind of do the same thing every single week. It's all about like, honestly, like habits, and I don't know, I feel like it's good to not overcomplicate it for yourself. Like if something works, just keep up with it, you know? Okay, cool. I think that looks really, really cute. I love the way it turned out. I'm not going to add anything else because I feel like that is good enough. And it looks super cute. So I love it. I think it's adorable. A good start to the week. Can't wait to start my week actually. And also because I do have Friday off. So that is pretty exciting thing for me. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe. And if you made it this far, comment like a shake or a coffee or chocolate, like anything like this emoji. That would be kind of fun. So I think that's really cool. Or a cat. Is there a cat emoji? If there is, comment a cat because that'll be really cool. Anyways, I love you guys. Bye. See y'all again on Tuesday for another video. Bye.